Hello everyone, this is Iram Golashit and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna be sharing you 4 easy facial steps by totally homemade ingredients products. This one is my favorite facial which I used to do on every Sunday, and this one honestly gives me an amazing glow on my face, and I will also recommend this to every kind of skin type. Today's ingredients are coffee, yogurt, sugar, aloe vera gel and milk and olive oil. So we will do facial in 4 steps. The first step will be cleanser, and in cleanser we will need milk, a little bit of milk and the cotton ball. And the second step will be exfoliant, and for making exfoliant we will need olive oil and a little bit of sugar. You'll have to mix it. I will show you how I will prepare this one. Well, I have also shown you this exfoliant in my previous videos also, and today also I'm going to use this exfoliant. And our third step is facial massage, and we will require for that the aloe vera gel. Obviously you should take the aloe vera from the plant, from the whole plant, but I have taken the Jeju aloe vera from the face shop, but that's fine, that's okay, because this is pure aloe vera gel. And you can also know the pure aloe vera gel by watching the color of the aloe vera gel. Just see, look at this. This is the white color. Also, if you will not store in the refrigerator, then it will contaminate, and also you also have to touch it very carefully, otherwise it will contaminate very easily. बहुत ही बड़ा डब्बा है, तो मैं जनरली इसे यूज़ करती हूँ एक अलग कंटेनर में, छोटे से कंटेनर में निकाल कर, और इस बाकी के एलोवेरा जेल को मैं फ्रिज में स्टोर कर देती हूँ, और फिर मैं जो एलोवेरा जेल है जो मैंने दूसरे कंटेनर में निकाला है उसे यूज़ करती हूँ। तो ये बिल्कुल प्योर है, इस वजह से मैंने इसे यहाँ पे यूज़ किया है। इससे मैं फेशियल मसाज करूँगी। एंड देन कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट एंड आवर लास्ट स्टेप इज़ the face mask, and for making the face mask we will require the coffee and some yogurt, and I have taken here homemade yogurt, the plain yogurt. Obviously for making face mask and also for using on skin, you will only require the plain and homemade yogurt. Also if you're facing some kind of acne, then you will have to skip this step. Means for making the face mask, you should not add the coffee. You will only require the yogurt. That's it. Otherwise, all of the process and steps will be the same for the acne prone skin. This facial, what I'm going to show you, is totally for all types of skin, like oily, dry, acne prone, sensitive, and combination also. So let's get started. So let's start with the first step, the cleanser. I have taken the raw milk here, and milk is known as a very great cleanser, also having the collagen inside it, which helps in firming your skin very well and cleanses your skin very well. So cleansing your face, it also helps in boosting the collagen inside in your skin, and making the skin very firm. Just like this, dip the cotton and apply all over your face. It's like you use the cleansing milk or cleansing balm on your face. Just like that, you will have to apply like this. All of the impurity will gone away from this. Wash it off with water, and that's it. Wash it off with water. Now coming to the second step, the exfoliation, and for that we will require the sugar and olive oil. Take a little amount of sugar like this. It is about 1 teaspoon, and add some olive oil into it for about 2 teaspoons. And yeah, the quantity of olive oil is more than the sugar. Take olive oil that much, in which the whole sugar can be dipped very well. You can see. And we all know about the goodness of olive oil, and I had already discussed about olive oil in my previous videos, like it is having the antioxidant properties, the anti-aging properties, and also it moisturizes your skin very well, and it also have the capability to kill the bacteria. So the acne prone skin can also easily go for this without any worry. And this facial is especially for all of those persons, like the dry skin, the oily skin, the combination, and also the sensitive type and the acne prone also. So just take it like this and just rub it softly. You don't have to be too much harsh on your skin while using any kind of products or ingredients on your face. Just rub it very softly. And honestly, I want to tell you that yeah, this is good for acne prone skin. This will not harm. But if you're facing too much acne on your face, then don't need to use any of the products on your skin. I will tell you again and again that please stop using all of the products, all of the ingredients, even the homemade also, while facing acne. Just rub it like this. You can also do the facial with this. As you can see कि आप इससे facial भी बहुत ही अच्छे से कर सकते हो, बहुत ही ये harsh नहीं है आपके skin पे. And that's it. Just massage it not for too long, just for 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. That is more than enough. And wash it off. And one more thing, just do your lip scrub also. And you know what, seriously, this one is my favorite lips. It's very good for your lips. Also it will moisturize your lips, as well as it remove all of the dead skin from the lips. As you can see the glow on my face, skin is already giving a very nice glow and very nice texture. And there is a lot of benefits of olive oil, you know, and using as exfoliant, it is very, very, very much beneficial for you. Means olive oil, if you're using it as an exfoliant, then you will also do the lip scrub. With that, it will moisturize your lips. As you can see the moisturization on my lips, I haven't used anything. And very soft and very plump. You can feel your lips, and also at the same time your skin. And also it helps in the removing of the dark circles around the eyes. And if you're having a very lighter eyebrows or lashes, then it also helps in increasing the brows and also the length of lashes. This one is my favorite exfoliant till ever. I usually prefer this exfoliant in almost all kind of season, but except the humidity one. But now the humidity has gone, you know, very spring season has came, so this facial is the perfect for the season. So coming to the next one, we will do the facial, and coming to the next, we will do the massage with the help of aloe vera gel. Just take in your palm a little bit of that, but make sure your hand should be totally clean and sanitized. Just take a lot of amount on your skin and neck and just massage it like this. You know what, nothing is good for facial, for massaging in comparison to aloe vera. Means if you're having the sensitive, if you're having the oily combination, if you're having the acne prone skin, what will you do? है ना, आप सोचते रह जाते हो कि क्या यूज़ करें, हमारे लिए क्या सही होगा, क्या नहीं सही होगा, whether it will suit your skin or not. So trust me, you just try this one, and that's it. All of your issues and the issues of the facial, that what should you try and what should you do, because you know facial is very necessary. If you're crossing 25, then facial became the very essential and necessary part of your life. Because at the time of that age, if you're crossing 25 or 26, means more than 26, then collagen generally used to get loose, and also the firmness from your skin starts losing. So it's very necessary to take care of these things. And yeah, the most important thing, if you don't know how to do facial, then you must learn that how to do facial. Because if you don't do the facial in a right way, means I mean to say the massaging of your skin, if you do that in a wrong, then it will only and only harm your skin. Nothing will happen to your skin except the loss. The purpose of massaging is only to circulate the blood from your skin. That's it. So that आपका circulation अच्छे से हो, और जो भी skin आपकी रुकी हुई हैं, एक्टिव नहीं हैं, वो अच्छे से उठ जाएं, एक्टिव हो जाएं और कोलेजन वहाँ पे अच्छे से बूस्ट हो सके. वेरी इजी स्टेप्स आर देयर. And if you want to know the facial steps, each and every facial steps, then you can tell me in the comments below. I will definitely make the video on that. And that's it. Just wipe it off with the tissue or cotton. Just wet it little and just wipe it off. And yeah, the most important thing, it is very necessary to do every step on your neck also, because if you're doing anything on your skin, on your face, then do the same on your neck, because skin of neck lose very fast in comparison to the skin on face. Okay, so just make sure about that. Do everything, every step on your neck. Coming to the next step, the face mask, we will require a little yogurt. I have taken 1 teaspoon of yogurt. So मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा कम कर दूंगी इसे. I don't require too much, that's why. And that should be a dry yogurt, not too wet. You know, आप अगर इसमें पानी है तो आप इसके पानी को हटा दीजिए. And the next one is the coffee. And take same amount of curd, 1 teaspoon. So I have taken and just mix it very well. Not necessary to make a smooth paste. You just only have to apply on the face, that's it. See, like this, the paste is very thick. And before this applying on the face, I just want to tell you a little about the yogurt. Just that yogurt is a natural cleanser. It is having the lactic acid, so it helps in tightening, whitening and brightening your skin very well, and at the same time it cleanses your skin naturally and very well. And I personally would recommend this to everyone. This one is my favorite face mask. And yogurt doesn't harm any of the skin, oily, acne prone, whatever type of skin. So you can easily and without any tension, without any worries, you can go for this. And coming to the coffee, so we all know about the goodness of coffee, that coffee also helps in whitening and lightening your skin, and also helps in removing the tan, because it is having the caffeine inside it, and caffeine is a very beneficial ingredient for our skin. And it is also having the anti-aging property. With the combination of different ingredients with coffee, you can get the different kind of benefits from coffee with this ingredient, with this amazing ingredient. Just take a little bit on your fingers and just apply it softly on your skin. It smells amazing, you know. So when we leave it on our skin, then it will nourishes our skin, and at the same time it is cleansing our skin from the internally, you know. This is a very good thing about this face mask. Don't need to cover your eyes, okay, but it is very necessary to apply on the neck. I have draped my dupatta like this, so it is very difficult to show you on my neck, but you can understand what am I trying to tell you, what am I trying to show you. Just apply it on the neck very well and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and just wash it off. And now you can see the facial glow on my skin, and no need to even apply the moisturizer, but here I will apply the coconut oil for the extra moisturization on my skin. You know the benefits of coconut oil. It moisturizes and nourishes your skin very well, and at the same time it removes the hyperpigmentation and also remove the acne scars and eczema and every kind of skin issues. It removed very well, and also lighten your skin very well. So just take a little amount on your palm and just dab it like this. There is a lot of benefits of coconut oil, you know. You can also use it as the removal of makeup, and you can also use it as a facial oil, and you can also use it as a moisturizer in the winters. You can also use it after the facial. lot of benefits of coconut oil. And that's it. The whole facial, the homemade facial is done. So please tell me in the comments that how much you liked it and how much it is beneficial for you. So thank you so much. And please do subscribe, like and share.